welcome. I was just cooking some hamburgers and hot dogs. Don't they look delicious? Earlier it was raining and I'm underneath my Safari Aquaquest 10x10 tarp. And I set this up just to do kind of a mock run, just as if I was camping on my own property. I have my tent in the back here. It was raining earlier, but it did stop. As you can see, there's raindrops on the tarp itself. So yeah.
So is it a good tarp?
Oh, it's a very good tarp. This tarp is very lightweight. It's perfect for car camping, backpacking, ultra light backpacking, solo camping, everything.
Would you recommend buying it?
Oh yeah, I would recommend buying it.
So
it's one of the reasons why I got it was because it's very lightweight and very tough. As you can see, the loops on this are very strong.
So if we went camping, me and you together sometime, would you bring this tarp with us?
Oh yeah, I'd definitely bring this tarp, especially for a cooking area. As it was raining earlier, I can cook, as you can see. And I want to show you something, how I configured this. So what I did was, I put a notch in the wood here. And then what I did was the paracord with a loop goes through the other loop. And then I put this over the bar. And then I just pull it back into the notch here. So basically you can use any poles that you want. So you could even pre-cut the poles and bring them with you. So basically what it is just a ridge line on the trees. And then basically you can do whatever configure you want. The other thing that I did do, if you come out here, is I made it to a point in the middle here. So what's going to happen is the water is going to come to one point, and it's perfect if you want to collect some water in the pail. You can collect the water. But yeah, I mean, you could do it straight, whatever you want. Let's check on those burgers and see how they are. Oh, that's looking nice. What do you think?
Yeah, those look delicious.
Oh, those are well done, eh?
Can't wait to eat them.
Smells good, eh?
Yeah, very good.
So what would you say about this tarp?
I'd say that based on your opinion, that it's really good. It would probably be like, the ratings online would probably be very good.
Yes, the reviews online are very great. What's nice is these extra loops that you have. So you can even put poles on here if you wanted to. I just put 6 because they were laying around the house. So yeah.